Only a few cars became legends before they even left the showroom, and this 219,900 black and gold 1977 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am Y82 SE is one of them. What's up, everyone? Subscribe to the channel, because today we're taking a look at one of the most iconic American muscle cars ever created. A machine that turned Hollywood dreams into reality and transformed the Pontiac Firebird Trans Am into a cultural legend. This is the 1977 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am Y82 Special Edition, a black and gold masterpiece that represents everything enthusiasts love about classic American performance, style, and attitude. At first glance, this Trans Am commands attention with its legendary gloss black exterior paint, aggressive stance, and unmistakable gold graphics stretching across the body. This is not just a paint combination, this is an automotive symbol. The Y82 Special Edition package created one of the most recognizable designs in muscle car history, combining a dark, sinister appearance with bright gold details that made the Trans Am look like it was built for the spotlight. Every line of this Firebird tells a story. The iconic Trans Am hood creates an aggressive front profile, while the legendary gold accents highlight the aerodynamic shape that defined the second-generation F-body era. Sitting proudly on factory-style Snowflake wheels, wrapped in 225/70/15 tires front and rear, this Trans Am delivers the perfect balance of classic styling and road presence, but beneath the legendary appearance is where the true muscle begins. Powering this collector-grade machine is a Pontiac 6-liter 400 cubic inch V8 engine, a numbers-matching power plant that preserves the authenticity of this historic Trans Am. This engine represents the heart and soul of Pontiac performance, delivering the unmistakable sound and character that made these cars unforgettable. Turn the key, and the Pontiac V8 comes alive with a deep, commanding exhaust note. The combination of classic American V8 torque and the smooth shifting TH350 automatic transmission creates the perfect cruising experience. This is not a modern performance car trying to imitate the past. This is the real thing, built during an era when style and personality mattered just as much as speed. The drivetrain continues with a 10-bolt rear end, Posi-Traction differential, and a 3.23/1 gear ratio, giving this Trans Am the ability to deliver strong acceleration while remaining comfortable on long highway drives. The power steering makes it easy to control, while the power brakes, front disc brakes, and rear drum brakes provide confidence behind the wheel. Adding to its collector appeal, this Y82 SE features factory-style air conditioning, allowing drivers to enjoy the classic muscle car experience with modern comfort. It represents the perfect combination of nostalgia and usability, a machine you can admire in a collection but still enjoy on the open road. The exterior restoration details show the dedication behind this build. The body features all new body mounts, carefully finished floorboards, and a black painted subframe that gives the car a clean and impressive appearance from every angle. The Hurst Hatch roof adds another level of desirability, giving passengers the open-air feeling that made Trans Am so special during the late 1970s. Underneath, this Firebird has received attention where many classic cars are often overlooked. A stainless steel gas tank, new X-pipe exhaust system, new brake lines, and new fuel lines help improve reliability while maintaining the original character of the vehicle. Front and rear sway bars enhance handling, making this Trans Am feel planted and confident on the road. Step inside, and the experience continues with a legendary black interior surrounded by gold trim details that perfectly match the exterior theme. The cabin delivers the authentic late 1970s muscle car atmosphere, featuring factory gauges, upgraded factory-style radio, electric windows, and Hurst Hatch T-top storage covers. The driver-focused cockpit reminds you that this was built during an era when cars had personality. The steering wheel, dashboard layout, and analog gauges create a connection between driver and machine that modern vehicles often struggle to replicate. Even the trunk area receives attention, featuring a finished trunk with a spare tire, proving that this Trans Am was restored with both beauty and practicality in mind. The 1977 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am Y82 SE is more than just a classic Pontiac. It is a piece of American pop culture, a symbol of an era when muscle cars became legends through their design, sound, and personality. The black and gold appearance, the Pontiac 400 V8, the T-top roof, and the unmistakable Trans Am identity created a car that remains instantly recognizable decades later, with an asking price of $219,900. This example represents the highest level of collector appreciation. It combines rarity, iconic styling, matching numbers authenticity, and a restoration that respects the original vision of Pontiac's legendary performance coupe. This is the kind of car that stops conversations, turns heads at every event, and reminds the world why classic American muscle will never disappear. The 1977 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am Y82 SE is not just a vehicle from the past, it is a rolling piece of history, a machine that carries the spirit of an unforgettable generation and a true American automotive icon.